mag-mute Discord because, you know, mic.
Wait lang, wag muna. Host game, join game muna ako.
Yeah.
Sasali ba ako sa'yo, Sid?
Kay Soda or kay ano?
What if I just
Hi.
Sa VS Team.
I just
Who?
joined you.
Asa MS ko.
Oh my god.
Oh, I think nasa
Ayun,
server
yellow.
tayo ni Flo. Ni Flo train, ni Soda. Yeah.
Yeah, sabi ko sa inyo kayo mag-host eh, kasi maglalag kayo.
Teka nga.
Maglalag kayo, bro.
Sure.
Kaya na lang mag-host.
Okay.
Yeah. Leave. Kaya na lang mag-host. Yes.
Oh.
Wait, friend, sino
Ikaw na lang.
mag-host?
Friend mo naman
Miguel.
Ako? Sige. Oh, sige.
Can I
Or-
join via kay Seth?
Oo, pwede. Gusto mo ako na lang host.
Hindi. Sali na lang kayo sa akin. Tapos Soda, sali ka kay
Okay.
Sed. True Sed
Okay.
pala.
May nagawa ka na?
Yeah, nakagawa na ako. Shift tab kasi, tapos join ka na lang sa akin.
Wait. Di, ano lang, online lang nakalagay. Walang sinabing ano ka, in-game.
Wait, teka.
Ayun.
Game scam? Question
Who?
mark?
I didn't get scammed. I didn't buy it.
Scam game?
Push to
Hey guys, this is still a
Uh,
demo. It's okay.
Demo pa rin to?
Di ako
Paid
game na.
demo? Scam.
Saan to push na to?
Tingnan sa'yo rin, Kyun. Parang demo na rin.
What is?
Image mo. Monster Hunter. 3, 5.
What do you mean demo?
So many words.
Are we ready now?
Yeah, so then, ka lang namin.
Oh,
Kami-
bruh.
Rinig mo ako.
No said.
Eh?
Rinig mo ako.
Nakamit ka ba in
you guys
Discord?
can change colors, by the way.
No.
No, hindi ka na. Red. Wait
Ay,
lang.
ano, in-game ako. In-game ako nagsasalita.
Red,
Nakik-
blue.
Narinig ko sa
Hello?
Soda. Pero ikaw, Sid, hindi.
Di mo ako
Yeah.
naririnig?
Oh, yeah, narinig na.
Ah, never mind.
narinig na,
Ay,
narinig na. Okay. Mute.
Oh.
Wait lang, buksan ko na yung OBS ko. Never mind, naka-record na ako. Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
guys, are you ready?
okay. Start game.
Hey, start game. Yay!
Wait, di natin alam yung controls. Check na lang natin. Nag-echo.
Ayan, narinig. Malakas yung boses ko.
Sino? Hello?
Ah!
Okay
Hello?
ba ako? Okay ba ako? Ba?
Ooh!
Wait.
Nakakahilo naman to.
Settings, controls,
Wait.
crouch, control.
Control yung
Sprint,
couch.
shift,
Wait, pwede ko yung
tumble.
Wait, pwede ko yung crouch ko. I don't want control.
Type kayo.
Teka.
Oh yeah, Soda, if you mute in Discord, I can't hear you.
Oh, you right. Wait lang. Wait guys. Mute niyo ako. Kasi hindi ako related yun. I'm
Sige.
the one streaming for him. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Ayan, naka-defen ako. What do you type?
Dalang minute. Dinefend.
Bro.
Ano yung tsura nito? Q.
Bro.
Ito niya Q. Dali. Dali lang.
Ni hao.
Paano ka yung super liit? Paano mo nagagawan?
Yung crouch, ginagawa mo na eh.
No. Meron pa isa pa eh. May pang third. Gawin mo nga.
I think you bonk? I don't know. I think I have to hit you so.
No, hold on. Controls. Oh, what?
Oh, mayroon akong stamina bar. Oh, nagawa mo na. What the hell?
It's Q. Press new Q. Okay, are you ready?
Wait, wala pa si Sed eh.
Ala pa?
Sed.
Wow.
Oh, ito pala yung HP niya sa likod. That's cool.
Whee! Wait. Wha-
Oh, shit.
Wait. How do you carry people? Alam ko pwede mo yung gawin
I,
eh. Go
try?
small.
Whoa! Is it right click?
Now, click lang. Kailangan mo
Okay.
maliit para makarry kita.
Whee! Huwag mo kayong bato dyan. Wag. What if nauna tayo? What if iniwan natin si Sed?
Oopsie, oopsie,
Oh, ano
oopsie,
yan?
oopsie,
Ano
oopsie.
yan?
Oh my god, oh my god.
Do we look at it? Ano yan?
Ewan ko, meron effect. What is that?
Sino Ed? Ow!
Okay, wag ka tumingin. Wag ka tumingin.
I got small. I'm good.
Dead.
I'm good.
Dead.
Tara, Soda.
I'm scared.
I'm confused.
I'm scared.
Oh, okay. Can I steal this? What if I went here? Ow! Hello? Ow!
Hello?
Nasaan ka na? Dodo?
Balik ka.
Oh. Oh. Good.
Nawala na siya? Nandiyan pa rin?
Wala na siya, wala na siya.
Wala na. Okay, we need to find items
Oh.
na pwede nating i-sell. That's data extraction. Okay?
Can I sell
Yeah.
said?
Pag yung mo, cursor, pag yellow, it means pwede mo siya kunin. Pick up.
Oh, ayun pala yung sign. Okay, okay.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
get it,
yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
Nakakahila naman tong camera nito.
Kaya nga nilagay ko yung camera shake to 0, bro.
Oh, that's a thing where graphics?
Think so? Oh yeah, pwede ka mag-open ng cardboards and stuff.
Motion blur. Oh. I don't want that.
Wait. Oh my god, look at this.
Oh,
Thinking about purple flashlight makes me help.
what? Ba't ganun mata mo?
Hold it.
Glow light is so living.
Diba? Oh! Ah! Oops!
That was $2K, bro.
Dude, I didn't know! Oh, tinan mo sa wow, $500 $500 watch. Wow.
Huwag mo sirain. Okay, 500.
Hindi ko alam, okay?
Oh my god, Mr. Beast!
Saan? Where you at?
Mr. Beast!
Jeez. The class of 87. Jeez. So much.
Oh, kailangan natin ng key para dyan.
What's
Damn,
new,
ang dami kailangan
gang?
ng key. Yo!
I think may pera sana tayo eh. What happened to the bottle? Damn.
Gee, I wonder what happened, guys.
Oh. Uy!
Oh! Ang nangyari sa'yo?
I don't know, I flew.
Look!
Is this a
Monkey!
Can you
Yan,
interact?
nag-ano na kami, bro. May na-encounter na kami. Dude, may nasira na kagad si Mix.
Uy! May nasira agad ako.
may nasira si Mix. 2K worth item.
Tapos nahatak agad ako ng multo. Man, I just joined.
Controls.
WASD.
Toggle, grab left click, rotate right.
Oh, where am I? Ah, bawal tayo carry. Okay. Drag lang pala to.
Di ba, no?
Etong card.
Mhm.
You just drag.
Parang shopping cart. Guys! 2K!
Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Move! No!
Hindi ko kasi siya ng 300.
No!
That's on you, man.
Kasi
That's on
wait,
you.
natamaan. Bro, your big fat ass was in my way.
Nah, it's on you.
Nasaan si Sed?
Third?
Sed?
Whoa!
Oh. Please.
I'll be careful. Hey.
Pag Muslim. Okay, thank you.
Uy, diamond ah.
Ayun yung...
Oh, it's gone.
Uy! Nasira mo! Uy!
Hey, nakuha kong diamond.
Nasa si Sed.
Sed? Ito, AFK ulit.
God.
Sed's AFK. Wait lang. Let me grab this.
Oh.
Okay. I'm...
Oh, ano to?
Teka lang.
Oh,
There we go. Ano yan?
oh, pwede mo gamitin scroll wheel pag ano. Habaan yung
pandra.
beam mo.
Okay. Okay.
Ah.
Learning.
Move! Move.
Nalalapit ko lang. Ayaw.
Dude, nakakatakot ang delicate ng fungki. Narinig ko yun.
2K worth done. Umayo daw.
Fastest way to lose money. Wait.
God damn it.
Dude, we need one more. We need 1K more. Kita mo yung ano, yung pera natin sa taas.
Yeah.
That's like our goal.
Tap.
Oh, ano to?
What's that? Oh,
Oh, kailangan natin... Oh,
I'll bring the cart.
na...
Ano yun? Ano yung nag-glow na yun sa taas?
Saan?
Ito, sa bunk bed? Do you see it?
Oh, pwede mag-parkour.
Can I throw it? Wait, shrink.
Okay? Okay.
Okay, scroll wheel, right? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Hey!
Hey! Okay.
Ano yan?
2K worth!
No!
2K worth!
Wait. Remove ko yung cart. Nice one.
Okay, we're good.
We're
Let's
good.
go, let's go, let's go.
Wait, tumawa.
We're good.
Someone's
9.
laughing. What is that? What is that?
Yung card
Hi,
natin,
man.
yung card natin. Please. Nope.
Do we... I don't know. Oh, wait,
Nasaan na
half
siya?
HP ka na lang ata eh. Yeah, half HP ka na lang.
It's okay.
Should we go back?
Yeah, let's go back. Ewan
Okay.
ko nasan si
You
Sen.
go first.
Bro,
You have the
ako'y
card.
half HP tas
Half HP rin ako. I got dragged first. Go to that. Good.
Wala ko, patitago ako.
What is that?
Wala na siya. Sometimes yung mga monsters, voice, ayun,
I think-
rinig tayo.
Yeah. Where is... Oh my
Ano
god.
ito? Ano yung damn? Ano yung...
Sa amin yun. Someone's working. That's annoying.
Wait. Dito tayo.
Oh, am I dead?
Bye-bye.
I think okay lang siya. I think the card. Oh. No! Yung card!
Oh my god.
Okay, whatever.
No way. What the hell is said, bro? Oh, map. Guys, tab is map.
Oh, okay.
If you can hear me
Okay.
from the grave. Bro, ain't no way we lost this first game.
Toda,
Yeah?
may narinig akong tumatawa na bata.
I don't know how to trigger this.
Oh, ito.
And then...
Oh.
Oh, I think kailangan pa nila kumuha.
Oh, yun.
No, you need the cart. Yeah. I don't know how to trigger that. I think it's because oh, I think I know why because insufficient yung ano natin. Pero bro, how did we fail the first hanap tayo.
Ano wala?
Said, help me. Hanap tayo items. Oh God.
Okay, hindi ko magano. Okay. Setting...
Nasaan ka?
Nag-build
entire time?
lang ako. Oh, ano yung tumatama?
I don't think wala
Ah.
nang mga items
May
na
bumukas-
makukuha dito,
May
bro.
nagbukas ng pinto. May nagbukas ng pinto.
I think there's no more items, bro. It's over. Oh, wait. Sa taas. Huwag mo tamaan, bro. It loses cost yung value. Oh. Pwede mo scroll wheel para magano. Wala yung napindot ko. I should look at the map. Tab yung map, by the way.
Pwede let go yung right click or pipindutin lang?
Hmm?
Pwede let go yung right click or you hold?
Hold.
Oh, okay. Narinig kita.
But, yeah, I think
Ano
nasa
tumatawa? May
Oh.
tumatawa.
Huwag ka tumingin.
Oh, yeah, okay. Ah, okay.
Oh, monkey.
Oh, so na-time mo yung ano? May TTS pala to.
Yeah. Ano, pag press mo T,
Para na ito.
is it 9K? Oh my God, we need more. Oh, my secret passage dito. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Iwan.
Oh!
Ano yan? Bang?
Said?
Soda?
Said?
Soda?
Said?
Mamatay na ako.
No. Move. 4K worth to. This is big money. I swear to God, pag ito nabasag, I'm gonna be so pissed.
Yun lang pa.
Yeah, I think we should dip.
No,
Enough na.
no. 100 more. Here. Meron
May,
dito.
may centipede baby.
No. Wala.
Tomatoes.
Chill. Dito, ang daming gamit to. Wait.
Oh my God.
Side, hawakan mo to. Hold it.
Soda.
Wag mo basagin.
May ano
Katulad
sa
na ginawa
likod
ni
ko.
Mix.
Ayoko tumalikod.
Hawakan mo to.
Did you see red today? So oh my God.
Ah,
Wait, let me hold it. Wag mo drop. Gentle.
Soda? Toothpaste.
Oh my God. Wait. Sa likod.
Ano yan? Pasarang doon. Soda.
Dito ka.
Yeah, sorry.
nearby.
Got the bike. Inside heavy. Thinking about right or day.
My God, shut up, bro.
Rain makes everything like somehow so much better.
Don't stop dropping it.
Napasag ko.
Stop dropping it. Wala na siya. Ano na pa rin? Dead?
Broken na siya. Wala na siya, wala na siya, wala na siya. May isa pa.
Ah, okay, okay, okay. Shh, shh, shh. Okay. Oh God. Oh, oh, oh.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh my God, may ring, may ring.
okay. Okay. Shh, shh, shh. Follow me.
Meron.
Shh,
May
okay.
ring ako.
Okay, go, go, go. Go, magkano yan?
600.
Dito, 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 dito. Dito, dito, dito. Please don't break it.
Sure ka dito?
Follow me, follow me. Huwag ka tumingin, huwag ka tumingin, huwag ka tumingin. Shh.
Soda? Soda?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Oh, soda? Soda?
Tumingin.
Oh.
Nasaan yung ring?
What? Wait, huh?
No, bro. No way. Ano, ano?
1.7k.
Okay.
Yeah,
please don't
spent na
break
lang
this.
ako. Wait, which way?
Dito, dyan, dyan. Daan, daan. Baka, oh, nandito yung, nahanap ko yung, wait, nahanap ko yung, ano.
Oh my God. Oh my God!
Tek. Tabi, tabi. Shh, shh, meron ako, meron ako. Shh, shh.
Nag-slide!
Tabi, tabi. Shh, shh.
Ay, bye. Okay.
Let's go!
Oh. Yeah.
Yo!
I lived. I think that's so doo-doo part.
Hello,
Oh my God, dude, buti nahanap ko yung secret room. Bro, oh my gosh. Tara, how do we end this?
How do we... Meron bang bagong quota?
Oh, this one? This one. Come here, come here.
Hold on.
Oh, maybe shut the door? Wait, ano to?
No, no, no.
Ah.
Oh, yan. Starting engine.
Dude, I hate the emoji. Ang pangit ng icon ng this game, bro.
It's kind of funny though.
It's... Oh, shop time.
Dude, that's so bad. Hinatak ako nun.
8k.
Dude, nakita ko, dude, namatay ka na lang lahat ng pera na wala.
Dude, pumunta siya sa cart.
Wait.
Tinarget
Share
yung
ba
cart.
money natin?
Share ba? I'm not sure.
How
Probably
much yung
share.
sa inyo?
8k rin ako eh.
Oh, okay. Wait, bili kayo something.
What else should we buy? Shockwave.
Okay, bili akong healing. Wala na akong HP.
Ano ba? Hindi, full. Okay. I think di ako bibili.
Bili ka na rin ng ng heal pad para sa'yo.
Okay.
For each one for us. Each one for us.
Two-plate.
Damn, big and greedy.
I don't know, ito lang yung laman.
Oh, masyadong
Ito pala 3K.
Yeah,
No,
dalawa lang
mayroon
bibili.
maliit, may maliit.
Walang tayo pera.
Yeah, ako na tayo. I'll just not die. Try ko na hindi mamatay.
Ano ba health mo? Ano ba health mo?
Full HP
100.
tayo lahat ulit. I think nag-reset
Hindi,
yung
ako
HP
No,
natin.
no, no,
65.
bro.
65 ka.
Hindi ako.
Soda.
26 ako.
26 ka?
Yeah.
Okay.
Newly
Yeah.
respawned ako
Sa
eh.
inyo na lang. Sa inyo na lang.
Yeah, okay na yan, okay na yan, okay na yan.
Right.
Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Yapin.
Oh, you should... Okay, bye. Alright, let's go.
I have 1 HP now.
Awesome.
Ew, look at that! Kita mo yun?
emoji?
Yuckers!
Ew. Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Next stage!
Next stage. Easy. Easy peasy.
Easy money. Alright.
Alright. You should heal soda.
No, no, no. Hindi na ako 1 HP, I think. Yeah.
Ilan
Oh,
HP?
dito yung
What's this?
65 ulit.
Okay.
I think that's a recharge station. Ewan ko ano yun.
Oh, I can rotate them.
Are we ready?
Galingan.
Yeah, tara.
Yeah.
Ano yung rotate? Ano rotate?
It's right click.
Ah.
Hold me item and then right click.
Oh, right click.
Ah.
Whoa, level 2.
Nag-jack.
McJacket.
Alright guys,
Alright,
it's a new day,
gang.
it's a new dawn, it's a new life.
How much
And I'm
sa
feeling
quota?
great.
10k.
10k, 10k.
Money spread.
Oh, oh, oh. Immediately.
Propane.
Guys, 500.
4,000. Let's go.
Wag mo.
Money.
Propane tan.
I feel like sasabog yun once na hit yun.
Yeah.
Eh,
Oo, diamond.
Ito ang lagay. Sa rin na to.
No, itatago ko yung propane tank in case it explodes.
Alam mo, you know what? Let's make it like yung mga big things, yung mga malalaki, lagay
Yeah.
natin sa inside. Nasaan yung Nasaan yung
Propane?
cart?
At
Oh.
I think part.
No, yung cart. Ooh. There.
Iniwan ko yung propane.
Okay.
Right,
I
let's
think,
go.
yeah, I think yung
Okay. Once may crying
I
baby
think-
said, don't look at it.
No, every stage bago. Every stage bago yung
No. Oh, okay.
Ang alam ko lang dito na creature is gun guy.
Yeah, same. Ayun lang alam ko.
Oh, ring.
Rinso.
Okay, yung mga, I think yung mga valuable, wag na lang natin, lagay natin dito.
Whoa, big stuff dito
But
sa
like,
akin.
balik natin. Big money.
A lot of big stuff. What's this? A clown doll. Ito niya.
Move.
Muhahaha.
1.1k.
Meron pa dun trophy. Aray! Puta.
Sorry.
No! What happened? Paano mo natamaan?
Tumakbo
Nabangga.
ako, tapos tumama yung yung hawak ko sa'yo.
Ah,
I'm
okay.
lagging so bad, bro.
Ano to?
I-scroll wheel nyo nga. Malapit sa inyo.
Demon Core. So,
Demon Core!
o kala ko monster yun. Ano lang pala.
Oh, meron na tayong 10k. We just need 500 more.
Yeah, one more item.
500 or higher.
Hello?
Hello! Konnichiwa.
Wait,
Hello.
Tab pag or up.
Okay. Oh, anyari sa door.
There we go.
Ba. Where the monsters at? Where the
Where the
bitches
money
at?
at?
Oh, that's a big room. Ano yun? Ano yun? Okay. Hello? Boy, pak... Y'all good? Wow! Wow! Stay there! Wah! Woo! Woo!
Oh my god.
Miguel? Miguel?
Ano yun?
Get out! Get out, get out. Bro,
Oh my god, nasira. Don't touch the duck.
I think patay na si Migs.
Yeah, narinig ko sumigaw. Miguel?
Alam ko yung monster na pumatay sa kanya. Alam mo yung may mga kutsilyo?
Yeah?
Yeah, ayun yung pumatay sa kanya.
So da?
Ay, ang cute ng ducky, bro. Yo!
Midnight.
Ano?
Huwag ka pumasok doon. Huwag ka pumasok doon. Huwag ka pumasok doon. Huwag ka pumasok doon.
Wait lang, may pataas dito. Halika dito, halika dito. May pataas dito.
Ah,
Ang daming items dito.
Yeah, one item lang ang kailangan need natin. Okay, worst item. Wait. Yeah, una ako. And then down here. Ano naman?
Oops!
Oops.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
And then here. Yeah, ako na mag-open ng doors.
Five health ako, by the way.
Careful. Oh my god.
May narinig ako sa likod.
Shut ko door.
Ay, may propane nga pala doon.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, tulungan mo ko. Lift natin. Yeah, there you go. Okay, go. Good, good, good.
Oh my
No, no.
Yeah, I know.
Good. Okay, good, good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go.
Alright, back up, back up.
Saan yung pabalik?
Backwards, backwards.
Oh my
Beep,
god, nagulat
beep.
ako.
Beep.
Oh, shut up!
Beep, beep.
Wait, 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 wait. Si Migs, si Migs, si Migs, si Migs, si Migs, si Migs.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Wag mo galaw. Shh! Okay, good. We're good, we're good.
So,
Alright, may propane tayo. We didn't need that.
It's fine, extra money.
True. Lagay ko.
Wait. I-ano mo na, rotate. And yan mo na.
Okay, good.
Ooh, 23k.
Big money.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep. Wait,
Okay na.
wait.
Let's go.
Wait,
Let
yeah.
go, let go, let go, let go, let go.
Yay!
may humabot sa akin.
Yun. How much money?
Wow! Money!
Oh, nabawasan tayo ng
Careful
pera.
with them. Ano ba?
Yeah.
By the way, dalawa yung extraction points natin to. Kailangan dalawa. Isa pa.
Dog. May humabol sa akin. I didn't know kung ano yun.
Yeah, I saw, bro.
Uy!
Huh?
Oh my
Goodbye 1K.
Okay, isa pa. Alam ko yung isang extraction point. Let's go.
So the heal. Oh yeah, nag-heal ka na.
Nag-heal na kami dalawa.
Nasa...
That's so...
Yeah, don't touch the duck.
Nagbukas
Yun
lang
pa
ako
yung
ng...
isang months.
Nagbukas ako ng pintuan eh. Biglang...
Oh, ikaw na nga lang
Wah!
mag-ano. Visit.
Okay.
Oh, alam ko na. Wait, yeah, Iris. Yung ano, yung yellow. Ano yun? Energy... Recharge. Hold on. Recharge lang energy.
What do you mean recharge ang energy? No? Okay. I said I guess we go left. Right.
Oh, wait, what's
Straight
that?
and then right. That's where I died.
Ah.
Straight.
Wait,
and-
wait, wait, wait.
Sorry.
Oh.
Tamaan na kita.
Oh, Viz. Oh my god.
600.
Careful.
$600.
6K, 6. Oh my god, ang bigat.
Okay. Okay.
Ang bigat. Wait.
Ilalapit ko sa'yo. Ilalapit ko sa'yo.
Wait, wag.
Ayan. Ito.
Guys?
Hi, Soda.
Masyado siya mabigat. Masyado
Ay,
siya
ay.
Wait,
mabigat.
tulungan kita. Tara.
Wait lang. Beep.
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 Pwede na?
Beep.
I can't see.
Wait, ano yung
Yeah, okay.
quota natin?
Let's go.
Ano yung quota natin?
I don't know.
10K?
10k ulit siguro.
Oh my god.
Nasaan yung extraction? Di ba sinasabi?
I-rotate mo. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait,
Wait,
nasaan yung extraction point?
I don't know. Nagtab
May isa pa
ako.
dito.
Oh yeah.
Somewhere.
Ano yung
Yeah.
recharge mo, Soda?
Oh, yung energy ko. I thought it works. Never mind.
Oh.
Wait, alam mo yung lugar na sinabi mo huwag ka pumunta dyan?
Yung nakalock?
Nandun yung extraction. No, nasabi ni Sed na huwag ka pumunta dyan. Ayun yung extraction point.
Alam ko may lock door dun eh. Ayun yun ata eh.
I don't know. Key button.
Ano to?
Ilan item? Magkano kailangan natin?
Ito yung extraction point.
Oh! Kulang natin. Konti na lang kulang natin.
Kailangan natin 1.
Konti na lang kulang natin. 100 na lang.
Oh, duck.
Hi, Ducky. Ang cute mo.
Oh, ito. Bonsai. 9K, 900. Oh, 600.
Wala na.
600. Oh my god.
Sinisira niya!
Kunin mo. I hate.
Grabe yun.
I hate you.
Meron pa. May isa pang room.
Give a fuck. Wait, huwag mong bilisan. Bilisan, jump lang.
Ano yan? Oh! Wow!
Pupunta rin dito ba yung hawak ko?
Cave me
Wala na
duck.
siya.
Nasa corner siya yun. Nasa left side. Nasa left side.
Ang bilis niya.
Save me duck.
Yung cart nasa gitna niyan. Yeah, kita sa map kung nasa yung cart. Let's go, Sid.
Oh, may fridge. Uy.
Oy, crap. Sige, ikaw na.
1.6K.
I-scroll wheel mo lang, Sid, para malapit sa'yo.
Hindi, baka anuhin ng duck eh.
Oo, nga pala.
Asan yung ano?
I don't know what the signal was that.
Move.
Should we go? Oh, naging 5k na lang.
Sakto.
Naging 5k na lang.
Huh?
May nasira. Huh?
No, baka na-damage yung
Na-damage
big
siya.
pot.
Yung vase?
Siguro
6K
dahil sa,
yung
siguro,
base.
hindi, dahil siguro sa monster.
Ah?
Sinisira rin nila eh. Oh, the hell? Oh. Ano nag-get up to? May isa pang lugar ata.
Ano ba yun?
May isa pa tayong lugar hindi napupuntahan.
Oh, diamond! Guys, 2K. Buksan nyo nga, buksan nyo nga, buksan nyo. Buksan nyo.
Ayan, nilapit ko yung cart.
No, 1K na lang, 1K, 1K, 1K.
Okay.
1K, wait, 1K 500? No,
Teka.
1K 400, 1K 400.
Okay. 1K 400. Well, 500 na
1K
rin.
400.
Wala. Woo! Wow! Wow! Ooh! 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 Huwag kayo pumunta sa last extraction natin. Doon nakatambay yung knife guy.
Hi, Ducky! Baby.
Paano mo siya na-tame? He was going crazy.
Hindi, wag mo
kanina.
lang
No,
touch.
wag mo lang
Wag mo lang
hawakan.
Oh.
Ano siya, sensitive boy.
Okay. In the big 2025? Damn.
Brother, a snowflake. Nah.
Back in my day. We weren't like
Back
that.
in my day. Hi, baby.
Back in my day, we used to beat each other with sticks.
Oh, God.
Openable pa lang, no?
Oh, wala. Okay.
Meron bang mga areas of, like,
Check yung map.
things na pwede natin buksan?
Fridge go open. May isang area kaso lang the guy is there.
Wait, bonsai, bonsai.
Oh shit.
Stuck ako.
Ayan.
Kinggan, guli, guli, guli.
1K.
Kinggan, guli.
Kulang tayo 500.
Nasaan yung
Nasa extraction point.
Wait, gulat akong ingay mo.
Oh, ito.
Anong ito? Ano
Ako
yan?
hindi
Ano yung
umabot.
tumatalon sa likod? Wala.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful,
Careful.
SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
What if I went here?
Wait, akala ko meron ako si Sed.
Hindi ko alam kung saan napunta eh. Oh yeah, dito yung knife guy kanina. I'm not trust. I don't like this place.
Wait, sabi mo may item dito?
It... Wala ba? No? Ball painting.
Hello?
Hello, Sed.
May narap ako 600. May narap ako 600.
Oh. I think balik ka na dito.
Hello?
Sed? Sed?
Hello?
Sed?
Hello?
Adito, adito lang kami sa extraction.
Yeah, eto, may narap ako 600.
That's,
Money bags!
that's money.
Dude, yung gift, bro, yung gift, yung nag-flex ng $1 bill.
Ano to?
Okay.
Okay, but... Scary ba? Matamaan ko yung base.
Oh my god, baby! Baby, move, baby!
I think yung...
Kunya.
Ako, nakuha ko na. That's on you, man.
Oo nga. Bye. Good luck. Oh, okay.
Buhay pa ba?
Oh, we're chill.
Wala na tayo.
Sakta?
Yeah, sakto.
63 bucks. We're rich.
That's good, you know?
Oh my god, akala ko natamaan ako.
5K, 6K, 8K, 10K. Get back to the truck.
Okay, let's dude, move your big...
Pwede natin iwan. I think pwede natin iwan.
Pwede natin iwan to?
Yeah, I think so, yeah, pwede, I think so.
Wait,
Tara,
save niyo,
balikan.
wait, save niyo yung ano niyo, sprint niyo. May the wacko guy.
You better know the way.
Oh, tab ka lang, Seth, para
Oh.
makita mo.
Guys, move.
Oh! Seth.
I went around, guys. There's a way around.
Oh! Asan na ako?
Yung healing is so ass, bro. As I said,
Ito!
wait, no, wait, no. Oh, that actually works.
Oh my god,
Okay, let's
nahihil
go.
ako
Tara na.
doon. Sa revive na yun. Oh,
Wait,
good.
magpakamali ka.
Oh, that's how you
nag-heal ka in
revive.
general. Nag-heal ka in
No,
general.
hindi. Yung revive, pwede mo ilagay siya either sa extraction or dito.
Why didn't
So,
you do
like,
that earlier?
Paano?
Namatay ako 2 beses.
Oh, my baby! Hi, baby!
Goodbye.
Bye-bye, baby!
Ganun pala yun.
Guli.
Okay, at least you don't have to wait an entire thingy.
22K! Eh! Ano to?
Ano ba yung landmines? Valuable tracker. Useful ba yun?
Health upgrade.
I need healing. Oh yeah, health upgrade na lang. Health
Ito.
upgrade.
Map player count. Wait,
Oh, I
Paano
want
yung upgrade?
stamina upgrade.
Stop. I feel ko HP and strength. Or ano.
I want stamina, honestly.
actually,
What's
ako
outside?
rin, stamina upgrade
Bili na rin
gusto
tayo
ko.
ng mga ano. Bili na rin tayo ng ano, ng boosted. Ng
Energy crystal.
health packs ulit.
Okay. Yung mas small lang.
Siguro.
Wait, actually,
Yeah, probably.
medium na lang.
Hmm.
Or small.
No, small,
Small,
we're
small lang, small lang.
22K lang. Small. Ano pa ba? Ay, by the...
Pocket card.
Bye,
Ang cute.
bye,
Pero may pocket card to.
Oh. Meron pa tayong 12. Wait, oh my god. Ari ko!
Na-damage ka?
No. May naglalagay yan, no? Minus 15%.
Ano 15%? May tax?
Yeah, yun, 15K. Oh.
No?
Oh, 15k
Oh,
to
ito
ano,
yung price.
Ito yung price.
Oh.
It's a mini card.
We don't need that.
It's funny though.
Oh, should go ba tayo valuable tracker?
Ow. I mean, do we need?
Aray ko! I'm kidnapped! Aray ko, stop!
Wala na,
Stop!
kulang na tayong pera. Should we? Or grenade na lang? Okay. Paano ba yung gumana?
Grenade.
It's like parang ano, metal detector.
Oh. Asan yung grenade dito?
I don't think we need that. Uy,
Ito
Bili
bilhin
pa tayo
natin
isa
oh.
pang, ano,
Map player
upgrade.
count. Ito na lang oh, para malaman natin kung sino mamatay.
oh, true. Pero may habak ako, ikaw.
Nasa yun eh. Nasa yun. Ayan, I think okay na to.
Wait! No, wait.
What?
Wait, hindi ka bibili ng ano? Energy?
No.
Ted?
Bumili. Asan si Zed? Ayun, nakatayo lang. I think tinawag na naman siya. Wow.
Nasaan yung ano? Kada pag may ano yung background noise, ikaw rin umaano.
Yeah, it's me. Bilhin na,
Come here, come
bilhin
here.
na natin si Zed.
Come here,
What?
come here.
No!
Oh my god, you're actually dead!
Ano ba yun?
Bakit? Namatay siya!
Ayaw mo ng ano, speed upgrade?
Ikaw, okay lang.
No, bibilin namin ikaw. Ano?
Okay.
Okay, tara na. Oh my god.
Murderer.
Dude,
He was so young.
Welcome back, bro.
ibabato ko sana sa'yo yun. Hindi ko makuha.
Ano ba
Gusto
yun?
ko makita
Grenade?
Gusto ko makita yun sa recording mo. Struggle.
Tinatry ko lang. Ay, kid, di ko abot. Nakuha ko siya nang sumabog na.
What if ninakaw natin?
Makita.
What if ninakaw natin?
Tara nga.
Guys, check this out.
Oh! Ow!
Kidnapin! Kidnapin! Kidnapin!
No!
Ayun, stop, stop,
Press
stop,
was-
stop, stop,
press
stop,
was
stop,
a
stop,
bot.
stop, stop, stop.
Namatay na
Baka mo
nga
lang
ako.
siya. Baka mo
Ay.
lang siya.
Ow! No!
With me, with me. No,
Wag.
my bike yun.
Bye.
Tara na, tara na, tara na.
Oh, tara na, tara na, tara na. Let's go.
Tara na, tara na. Uy, sino ba?
That's ours.
What if?
That's ours.
Tara, tara. Imagine gumana.
No, hindi.
But imagine though.
Oh my god, gumana.
Ayun oh. Joke lang.
Heal lang ako.
Paano to?
Yun, kunin yung mga upgrades nyo, guys.
Oh, mag-heal kayo kapag magkadikit tayo.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh,
okay.
it works.
Meron akong heal.
Okay, go. Wow.
Ah, hindi naman ah.
Ay, nangyari, na-heal ako
Uy, pag
kanina.
ganyan yung stamina upgrade to. Pag ganyan yung stamina upgrade
Kumuha na ako ng isang stamina upgrade.
to. Uy, science set, science set.
Okay.
Ano
O,
to?
sino gusto nito?
Oh, isang
Yung
tao
ano,
lang to?
Yung map, yung map. Yeah, man.
Babe?
Taras.
Isa pang heal dito. Tingnan. Oh, empty pala to.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Yep. Turut!
Alright.
Guli. Wow, mansion.
Tinggang
Headman.
gulo-gulo.
I think ito yung may shotgun.
Alam ko to.
Ito yung may shotguns.
Ito may giant head.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yung ano rin yung bibig.
Okay, dalawa extraction
Wait.
point. Ano?
May narinig ako.
Mama mo. Aray ko.
That's your fault.
Bro, open the door. Open the door, bro.
Open your... Wait. A frog! I got a frog. Oh, what's good,
Punta si
gang?
Kyun ka.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, pwede ka magtago dito.
Ay,
Alam mo yung inatake?
Yeah, nakita ko kanina.
Yeah, nakita mo. Ooh.
Oh, you can throw items sa cart. Hindi siya nada-damage.
Paano?
As in, bato mo lang sa cart, you're still good.
No, it still get
Yeah,
damaged, bro.
Tira mo.
Yeah.
Oops.
Bobo.
Oh, it's walking! Oh! Ano yun? Oh, ikaw pala yun. Ano to? What was that?
Dude, akala ko nga yung ano, yung nagsusuka.
Akala ko kung ano to.
Tabi, may tabi. Shh. You can back it up.
Ten. Laki pala ng area na to.
Yeah, man, it's a mansion. What do you expect?
I don't know.
It's the X-Men, man.
Oh,
Guys, Wolverine.
move. Never mind.
That's
Whoa! Quiet.
Me bonbon.
Shut up. Where am I? Ano?
Quiet ka na, Soda. Paano ba to? Do I just bring it here?
Yeah, I think.
Dito ba? How do I rest?
End of the, ano pa? Pagka-extract natin.
Nagi-green siya. May ilaw oh.
Hindi, kailangan mag-extract.
Red. Green. Extract.
Hindi,
Whatever.
pagka-extract na natin, pagka-alis na.
Tara na Sid. Gawin natin to.
Dyan yung ano,
Yeah.
gun guy.
Oh my god. Ang ingay pa ng background noise ko.
Oh my goodness.
Ang hirap. Move, please. Ang katawan mo, Sid. Ayun. Oh my god. Looney Tune ass. Ang ganda. Ito na. Okay, almost. No! Whatever. Mamaya. Oh. Oop. Okay. Stand. Rise. You. Come here. Rise. There we go. That's wow. Is this good enough? Yeah, I think it's good enough. Duh! Shit, okay. Paano to? That's awesome. Awesome. Whatever. What's that? $12K. 500. Oh, push. Okay. How much? 6,000. That's not enough. Oh! Yung buong piano? What? Okay. Wait, what if actually? Here, never mind. Nice. Okay. How much? 14. 6. Okay. Last. Never mind. So bad. Another base. Oo. Ano to? Okay, base time. God damn it. Second base. Oh. Okay. 3,000. Nasaan yung second base? Nasaan yun? No!
No!
Ah, my God.
Bro,
Alam mo ba,
meron
may
ano,
Sa
yeah,
chest.
dun sa mga box sa chest, meron item.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Oh my
eh.
god, oh my god, we fight, we fight, we fight, we fight,
Ah, fight what? Fight what?
we fight, we fight.
Oo,
don't
tayo
wanna
maglalaban.
I
Yup,
don't wanna
we fight.
That's my...
Kaya kita, no!
How do we fight?
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Sige, dito.
Lucy,
Ow!
what the heck?
I got a gun!
You best,
I got a gun! I got a gun!
Fortnite! No!
Nahulog kayo. Nahulog kayo.
Yan. Dude, ang hirap nun. Mag-isa. Oh my God. Oh my god.
Tawag doon.
Ang hirap mag-isa.
Marvel Rivals. Marvel Rivals ults sa chat. Ganun lang ginagawa namin po. Ano, naghintay kami.
Oo.
Ilang beses na ako matik mamatay doon. Nakakainis.
Yeah, dude. Ito.
Ano, isa pa?
Sige.
I don't know if I can actually.
Oo.
Mamaya.
Bukas na lang.
So maybe, yeah, dude,
Wala
bilhin
ako
mo,
bukas.
play the,
Yeah.
buy the game,
Kukunin ko
buy the
bukas.
game.
Wala ako bukas. Alis maaga.
Unless bukas or Monday, kukunin ko.
Okay, Monday pwede yan.
So,
Sige.
okay. Leave game.
Deep game. Masaya.
Yeah,
Damn.
yeah.
It was
Ah,
fun.
hindi
It
naman
was
ako.
fun.
Nagulat ako sa shotgun kanina. Nabuhay ako nung nag-crouch ako.
Wait, gusto ko makita yung recording.